Hello and welcome to the review of SIMREX X300C mini drone with camera. If you'd like to buy this drone on Amazon, there will be a link in the description below. It is a very well selling drone on Amazon and it has 3.8 star review from over 250 customers. So let's get on to the review. Specifications of this drone are: camera resolution 720p, range from 30 to 45 meters, flight time up to 10 minutes, charging time only 60 minutes. This drone comes with 4 color options: white, blue, red and yellow. When you buy this drone, you get the drone itself, one controller which takes AA batteries, but they are not included, one phone holder, one USB charger, adapter not included, one LiPo battery, 4 spare propellers, 4 propeller protection frames, and 1 product manual. Wi-Fi first-person viewing version. Built-in high-definition camera. Download the app onto your smartphone and view live feed or take quality photos and videos while flying. Easy operation mode. The drone provides headless mode, one key takeoff and landing function. With the setting button on the controller, the drone can fly at 3 speed levels: slow, medium, fast. There are 3 ways you can control your drone. Direct control with your smartphone, iOS or Android. 2. Control your drone using joystick. Or the last one, transmitter control with gravity sensor. Foldable design. Bring it anywhere, saves space and easy to carry. Altitude hold function. This drone comes with powerful air pressure altitude hold function. You can release the throttle stick and the drone will keep its current altitude. Gravity sensor mode. Gravity sensor mode on the phone app and controller. Both the phone app and controller can operate by activating gravity sensor mode, controlling the flight by accordingly holding and moving the phone or controller. And now, what one customer from Amazon has to say about this mini drone. He says, "Great for learning how to fly a drone. I love this. I've never had a drone before, so wanted to start with a cheaper model to learn the basic handlings, and this model does great with just that. It's pretty difficult to use the first time, but they provide really easy to understand instructions. The quality of the drone also feels pretty good, not like cheap plastic or similar qualities. It comes with backup parts in case of a crash." Thanks for watching this review. Leave your thoughts on this drone in the comments below. If you'd like to buy it on Amazon and get free shipping, click the link in the description below. It's a really good drone and we think you should buy it.